Now, more than ever, we need control over the world we live in. The one we build for our children. The one we create for future generations. Over the last 2 decades, the physical world and the digital world have come together. What we see in one is recorded in the other. And too often what we see is unwanted. What follows us is unsolicited. What pushes its way into the lives of our children is uninvited. At Clear, we believe that every parent deserves to sleep well knowing those unwanted visitors are locked out of the lives of their children. It's more than parental controls. It's more than the right to keep our children's lives private. It's about freedom. That feeling you get when you know the values you base your life on, raise your children by, are safe. ClearGM. Control, freedom, peace of mind.